Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to do keyword research for SEO in 2025. So guys, you're running a blog or you're trying to run a blog, a YouTube channel, or an online business. This would help you find the keywords that actually rank the highest, which would then help with your channel, your business, or your YouTube blog or your channel. Basically, we have to understand what keyword research is. Basically, keyword research helps you discover what people are searching for on Google. The goal is to find low competition, high volume keywords that match your content and your audience's intent. So basically, you just have to focus on what people are searching for and what they are looking to buy, either learn or compare. Some people are looking to compare iPhones to Androids. Some people are looking to buy shoes, clothes. Some people are looking to learn skills. So if you operate a YouTube channel, you could focus with those kind of trends. And then if you operate a blog, same thing applies here. Now, one tool you could use, which is free, that most people will not tell you, is Google. So the Google search engine itself is SEO, like it's a basic search engine, but by using some common sense and elbow grease, you can find that the suggestions that Google gives you for your searches. Let's look at, let's say, an iPhone. Now, most of the time, you would get suggestions for your search, and those suggestions are basically what is trending, what people are actually trending, or what topics are actually trending on Google, what you should search for, what you should look towards searching. And then you can visit Google Trends, which is a website, to see what is actually rising in popularity. This would then help you catch trending keywords early. So basically, just start with a Google search for your topic or your niche, and then type in your topic and check the auto completed suggestions. And those are the keywords you should look out for. Now, you could also alternatively try using some keyword tools like RFs, Uber Suggest, or SEM Rush. RFs is a really good platform. You can stay ahead of your competition by driving your visibility up, checking out search engine content. It uses an AI and a search database. Basically, that's what RF does. All you need to do is just enter your seed keyword. Let's say an example would be top 10 iPhones to buy, and then you check the related keywords, search volume, the difficulty, and pick terms with moderate competition and steady monthly searches, which would be iPhones. And yeah, the next thing is organizing and filtering your keywords. So you could make use of Google services like the Google spreadsheets to simply organize your keywords in a spreadsheet, group them into categories like informational, transactional, comparison keywords like iPhone, Android, that kind of thing. That this would then help you with your content calendar and ensure every post targets a specific keyword cluster. And then finally, you could check the top ranking pages for your keyword. So let's head back to the iPhone. So if you were to head up the iPhone, you would see the top ranking page is Apple. If you scroll down, you can see some other pages that are talking about it. Now, what you need to do here is simply scan through these pages and see if you can create something more valuable, optimized, and up to date. If you can, go for it. And now, once you've validated your keyword, plan it on your blog or your tutorial video or your social media. Just make sure you preview and check out your competitors and use where they lack to make it your strengths. All right, guys, and that's it. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.